Hello my friends, in this video we will be making tutorial how to make yin yang in Fusion Davinci Resolve. Also I will be giving file for download, and file you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, as you can see I have finished here yin yang, and it's fairly simple. You have backgrounds, you have few ellipses and a rectangle. So let's get started with this. Make a media out. Like this. Take the background like this. Because I use UHD resolution, you will need to make a square, and I will have just unchecked here auto resolution and write 3840. For the full HD is 1920 times 1920. Alright, because we will make one for black and one for white. First we will make for the black side and just make a copy, and this will be for white. It's fairly simple. You just drag ellipse like this. This will be circle. Like this. When you drag and connect to the media out, press number 2 on the keyboard, you will get like this rectangle, like this. Connect the ellipse to the rectangle like this and connect to the background. What we'll do here is just change to multiply, and then in the rectangle you can slide over and make a half of the circle, or you can just write here in the center 0.75, just like this, and then just take another circle like this, connect to the take the rectangle, connect to the ellipse, connect to the background. This ellipse we will make a smaller one. You can right click here on the height, click on expression, drag and drop to the width like this, and then make it smaller. Just write 0.25, and now we will get the circle on the bottom, and just drag and drop and do like this. On the Y axis you can write 0.375. This will be exactly at the end, and we're starting to make a shape. Alright, now this is done, and we will need to make a cutout for the other circle. And this is done. Just select the last ellipse, Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl V for the paste, and then here on the paint mode we will make subtract. Now we will drag just like this all the way to the top. White axis here we will make 0.625. This will be exactly at the end, and this is the first shape that we needed. Now select everything all the way to the background, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to the paste, and now connect background to the background like this, and we will connect with the merge. Select the background and use the paint color to the white. And what we will do here in the merge, only change the angle to 180, and we will have the beginning of the full circle of the yin yang. Now only you have to do is take the this background, Control C to copy 2 times, and first one change to black and the last one change to white, and connect to the background just like this 2 times. Or now just drag and drop another eclipse, connect to the background, right click for the expression, connect to the width like this, and make it smaller to 125. Select the eclipse, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to do the paste, connect to the another background, and just move to 0.375 for the black one, and for the white one 0.625. And our yin yang is finished. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.